Welcome to our software design project for Group I. This project was created at The Ohio State University as part of Engineering 1181, Fundamentals of Engineering. The task of this project was to create a user-friendly game that addresses the desires of a common user and is easy to use. The game was created using the coding software MATLAB and utilizes many exciting elements of coding that we will address later. Alongside our coding task, this project required several transferable skills such as teamwork with a goal in mind, creativity, and problem solving. With our users' best interest in mind, our group created the exciting and classic game of Hangman, designed to be simple to play. But before we get into it, let's meet our team members.
Hi, my name is Julia Sammartino. I'm a first year studying engineering at Ohio State University.
My name is Jillian Cairo. I'm a first year at Ohio State studying engineering.
Hi, my name is Allie Minnick. I'm a freshman at The Ohio State University studying biomedical engineering. During this presentation, we will explore all aspects of the game we have created. We will first discuss Hangman's functionality, how it works, how you play, and how you ultimately win or lose. This game offers the user an easy way to play a fun, simple game of Hangman. The random choice of words allows the user to play alone, which is perfect for someone who wants a quick game without the hassle of finding a partner. The game is also easily made more challenging with harder words and even phrases to play with. With an investment in this game, more words will be able to be created, thus a more diverse and enticing gameplay. An added bonus would be that the investor will get to choose words of their own to add to the game. If you invest in our project, we will guarantee that you will get the best Hangman that we can offer. Thank you.
The game begins with the instructions popping up in a message box. The user is first asked to input yes or no as to whether or not they want to play the game. The program uses an if loop afterwards. If the answer is yes, the rest of the program proceeds, and the user can play. If the answer is no, then the program asks the user once again if they would like to play. The initial portion of the code for the game involves creating arrays for every word that was used in the game: day, go Bucks, and Ohio. These arrays had a 0 in place for every letter. These arrays were then given designated numbers so that each word had its own section. At this point, the program also initializes the variables guesses and wrong guesses and sets them equal to 0, which will be used later in the game. Once the user answers yes, the program prompts them to input a number 1 through 3 in order to choose what word they will be playing with. The program has 3 if loops, one for every word. Once the number has been entered, the program executes that specific if loop. Then the word is printed to the screen with underscores in place for every letter. A while loop then executes with the conditional statement that the number of guesses is less than 26. The user is then asked to input a letter. The letters of the word are in their own if-else loops. If the user inputs a letter that is in the word, then the if loop is executed and the letter is placed into the original word array, and the array is printed to the screen. If the user does not input one of the letters in the word, then the variable wrong guesses goes up by 1, and the user will be prompted to enter a new letter as their next guess. Whether or not the user gets the letter correct, the variable guesses will be incremented by 1 and the next turn will proceed. The program executes an if loop if the number of wrong guesses reaches 5. This if loop prints to the screen that the user has died, and it tells the user what the word was. If they guess the word within 5 guesses, an if loop executes that prints to the screen a message that says congratulations and also prints the word to the screen. For both if loops, whether winning or losing, a break statement is also inputted so that the program will leave the while loop. The game is over, and if the user wants to play again, they can choose to run the game again.
Once the script is run, a message box will appear with the instructions on how to play Hangman. The user will then be asked whether or not they want to play the game. There are 3 word options, and the user is asked to pick a number 1 through 3 to assign a word. The blank spaces will appear, and the user will begin guessing. If the letter is guessed correctly, it will display in the word. Choosing a letter that is not assigned in the word will result in wrong guesses message, and the user will be prompted to guess another letter. If the user guesses wrong 5 times, they will be prompted with the wrong guesses message, and they will lose the game. To play again, the game is run again, and the same instructions are followed. This time, word 2 is longer. Again, the user guesses, And if the user guesses correctly, the letters are displayed in the word. If the user guesses the word correctly, a congratulations message will appear. The final testing of our game revealed general success with initial goals we set for the program. Although, given more time, our group would add more complex words to the program or possibly the allocation for a multiplayer game. With a multiplayer game, one user would be able to input their own word or select a word to try and stump the other user. Another thing that our game lacked was the figure typically associated with the game Hangman. Including a figure might lead to more exciting and visually striking gameplay for the player. Ultimately, Hangman entices our users with its simple nature alongside classic progression. The ease and enticement of such a game makes users want to play more, and with the proper tools and extension of this project, we would be able to deliver such requests.